The most popular 4-inch car speakers aren't always the best. Just because something sells a lot doesn't mean it sounds good or fits your car. I dug through specs, real buyer feedback, and sound quality to find the ones that actually deliver. Here are the top 5 that stand out, not just in sales, but in performance. Product number 1, Orion Cobalt CB42. First up is the Orion Cobalt Series CB42. This one caught my eye because it's priced under $60 but claims serious power, 160 watts peak and 40 watts RMS. For the price, that's impressive. The build uses a polypropylene cone and butyl rubber surround, which means better durability and less distortion over time. Here's why this matters for you. If you're replacing old factory speakers that sound muddy or crackle at high volume, the CB42 gives you clean, balanced sound without breaking the bank. The two-way design separates bass and highs, so vocals stay crisp and music doesn't get lost in the mix. With 88 dB sensitivity, it gets loud even with a basic car stereo. Over 200 people bought this last month, and while there aren't many reviews yet, the specs line up well for budget-conscious drivers. Now, some people might worry about the lack of detailed user feedback. There are 0 reviews right now. That's a real concern if you want proof it works long-term, but given Orion's reputation in car audio and the solid materials used, this feels like a safe bet for basic upgrades. Just don't expect audiophile-level clarity. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, affordable drop-in replacement that sounds noticeably better than stock. Skip this one if you're chasing deep bass or plan to run an external amp. For under $52, it's solid value. Product number 2, Kicker DSC40. Next is the Kicker DSC40. Kicker's known for reliability, and this 4-inch coaxial delivers 50 watts RMS with a peak of 120 watts. It's priced around $84, so it's mid-range, but the brand trust matters here. What makes this stand out is the frequency response, 68Z to 20K8Z, which means better low-end than most 4-inch speakers. The 4-ohm impedance matches most factory head units, so you won't need extra gear. Plus, Kicker's build quality means these can handle heat and vibration better than cheaper plastic models. The downside, the frequency range starts at 68Z, so you won't get real bass. If you're expecting thumping lows, you'll be disappointed. But for clear mids and highs with a bit of punch, it's excellent. This is perfect for you if you want trusted brand performance and slightly richer sound than stock without going full custom. Skip it if you need deep bass or are on a tight budget. At $84, it's a smart step up from basic replacements. Product number 3, Rockford Fosgate R14X2. Now, if Kicker's limited bass bothered you, check out the Rockford Fosgate R14X2. This one's also around $83, but Rockford Fosgate is a legend in car audio for a reason. These are built like tanks, stamped steel frame, vacuum-formed polypropylene cone, and a silk dome tweeter. The R14X2 handles 30 watts RMS and 60 watts max, which is plenty for daily driving. The silk tweeter gives smoother highs than plastic domes, so cymbals and vocals don't sound harsh. And the included grills and mounting hardware make install straightforward. It's designed as a direct factory replacement, so no cutting or splicing needed in most cars. One flaw, the frequency response starts at 100 Hz, which is higher than ideal. That means even less bass than the Kicker. If your music relies on low end, you'll feel it's missing. This is perfect for you if you want premium build quality and clean, balanced sound from a brand that lasts. Skip it if you want any kind of bass presence. For daily commuters who value durability and clarity, it's worth the $83. Product number 4, Kenwood KFC 1066S. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be better for sound detail. The Kenwood KFC 1066S at $77, it's competitively priced and packs a 90 dB sensitivity, which means louder sound with less power. That's huge if you're using a factory head unit. That gives you noticeably better low-mid presence, so instruments like bass guitars and kick drums actually sound full. The metal build feels sturdy and the flush mount fits cleanly in most doors. The catch? Peak power is 210W, but rated input is only 42W. That means it won't handle heavy amplification well. If you plan to add an amp later, this might not keep up. This is perfect for you if you want the best balance of volume, clarity, and slight bass improvement without an amp. Skip it if you're building a high-power system. For around $77, it's one of the best all-around performers here. Product number 5, BATVOX CS401. Finally, the BATVOX CS401, just $26. Yes, you read that right. It's the cheapest on the list, but don't write it off. It handles 75W RMS and 150W peak with an 87 dB sensitivity. For the price, that's wild. The two-way design and piezo tweeter deliver surprisingly clear sound for under $30. It won't match Kenwood or Kicker, but if your current speakers are blown or you're on a tight budget, this is a massive upgrade from stock. Installation is simple and the removable grill makes cleaning easy. The flaw: build quality. It uses lighter materials and long-term durability is questionable. Some users report issues after a year in hot climates, but for a temporary fix or a backup car, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you need cheap, functional speakers fast, like for a beater car or rental. Skip it if you want longevity or rich sound. At $26, it's a steal for basic audio. So which one should you pick? If you want the best value under $30, go BATVOX. For balanced sound and brand trust, Kicker or Kenwood are strong. Rockford Fosgate wins on build quality and Orion offers solid performance for the price. None are perfect, but each fits a different need. Pick based on your budget and sound goals, not just popularity.